Go. Hold that. Whoa. What's happening? What is happening?
We have energy.
You do have energy.
Yes.
I'm a pensioner, and I worked in an engineering company. My specialty is science and pollution control, environmental improvements. And so with the Aполонија Foundation, I work with Nature Day children. We do lots of science. I think kids love science. We saw that. Kids enjoy it a lot. Whoa. Gore. And in schools, they don't get too much. They get some science, but not science like this. And they don't get to do it themselves. So it's important to learn to do things yourself and have fun doing it. Then you get excited about that topic. Everybody does that at once. Can you do that? Yeah. Wow. Uh-oh. One left. Oof. Eats birds, it eats insects, it eats mice, it eats a lot of small animals. And then after it's eaten them in its stomach, it then pushes the bones out of its mouth. Each one of these little tablet is bones of mice or petitsa and other animals. You can take that and you can find, when you open up these little balls from the owl, you'll be able to find a head, you'll be able to find the fingers, the bones of each one of these animals. And if you're lucky, you can put the bones together and they become the animal. You can find almost all of the animal in that bone. They're very small, but they're in there. So each one of these contains probably 2 or 3 different animals. And the kids take it apart, they look at the bones, and they put them back together so they look like a mouse or a bird, and it's fun. It's really magic. My satisfaction, my desire is to introduce kids to science and have them a better understanding of nature, and so they can go out when they grow up and make a difference if they want. If they can understand how nature helps us if we help nature. And so if kids learn a little bit about that, maybe Macedonia is better too.